Hey guys, Jim from MeasureSquare here. Let's take a quick look at some of the updates that are hitting the Apple App Store as we speak.
So the first update I want to show you is that we've expanded the search criteria when we are searching for a diagram. So let's say I type in Pasadena, that will now pull up the diagrams that are related to Pasadena. We can also search by such things as phone numbers, the full address, fax numbers, and so on. Another welcome addition is that we are now able to place a legend wherever we would like on our diagram. Just by simply tapping on Tools, now going to where it says Legend, I can select all the products I would like, including usages, hit Done. Then when I place my finger on the screen, I can add that easily where I would like and easily move it around as well. A welcome addition to our resize menu is the ability to add internal or floating walls, as well as creating border dividers for products to go along the perimeter of a room. I can simply choose a product, hit Done, and then we'll see that border product go along the perimeter of our hallway. An update you might have missed is the ability to add patterns from our widget panel. Simply drag and drop the pattern into the room. You can select the tiles you'd like to use, or tap Quick Assign to have MeasureSquare quickly assign and create the tiles for that pattern. Those are just some of the updates we've added to our mobile app for the summer. Watch the rest of our YouTube channel to check out the rest.